Kenny, Landrum, and oh my goodness, we are in season 4, episode 9 of Golf Cart Confessions, and I have a special guest with me this morning. Let's jump right into it. Hey, Amanda.
Hey, everybody.
How are you doing this morning?
Awesome.
I am so excited to have you this morning. We have been working on getting together for this Golf Cart Confession for a little while, haven't we?
Yes, we sure have. I'm so glad we could finally get everything worked out to where I could be here today.
I am excited. So, Amanda Taylor, tell us, what do you have to confess to this morning on Golf Cart Confessions?
Okay, Kenny. I don't like coffee.
You don't like what?
I don't like coffee.
Really?
No.
Oh my. And I hear that you are the smart coffee entrepreneur, aren't you?
I am.
Really? Can you really tell us more about Smart Coffee and what you've done in here in Bowling Green, Kentucky with Smart Coffee?
Yes, I would love to, Kenny. So let's back up a little bit.
Okay.
So back in March of last year,
Okay.
actually February maybe, my cousin started promoting this product.
Okay.
And I looked at her and I thought, gosh, she doesn't need weight loss. What is she doing?
Right.
And so I watched her for a couple weeks and she tried to get me to try it. I said, Courtney, I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee. I don't want to try your drink.
Right.
So fast forward 30 days and I get a package in the mail and here is a tub of Smart Coffee.
Let's take a look at that.
Actually, that's our chocolate. So
Okay.
let me try again.
Here we go.
Okay, so this is what was in my mailbox.
Okay.
And I sampled it the first time on March 31st.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried it around 8 o'clock that morning.
8 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
Okay.
And so for me, instantly I saw that it curbed my appetite. I'm the type that I would eat breakfast.
Okay.
By 9 o'clock, I was having a snack. By 12 o'clock on the dot, not 12:01, I was eating lunch. I would have another snack around 2.
Okay.
Another snack around 4.
You got a strict regiment there, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay.
I was on time. I would eat around 6, 7, and then most nights I would make chocolate chip cookies. So on day 1, literally.
You're talking about day 1 of the Smart Coffee.
Trying the Smart Coffee.
Okay.
Yes. It curbed my appetite. I was not snacking. I
Really?
felt full. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Okay.
I also had energy, and it's not a jittery feeling.
Mm-hmm.
It is just I can keep going.
Right.
So by 11:30 that night, I had signed up to sell this. Because,
Really?
Yes, I was like, I believe in this product, and y'all, I've not stopped believing in it. It has truly just been a game changer.
It has been a game changer for you because let me tell you, you're not a salesperson, are you?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
No.
But let me tell you, I follow you on Facebook,
Yes.
and I see all the posts that you make about not just your successes, but the successes of your team
Yes.
and
Yes.
how your teams are doing so well.
Yes.
Do you happen to have a picture of maybe like a before and after?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Okay,
So I'm going to try to squeeze on in here. I'm going to take a look at that there.
you can kind of see. I'm not sure. So I started again on March 31st. I am down 34 pounds. That is not changing my diet. That is not exercising, even though I know that I should.
Right.
That's strictly drinking 1 cup a day.
Strictly drinking a cup a day of Smart Coffee.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh
It's
my
that
goodness.
easy. Yes.
It's that easy?
Yes.
Wait a
It
minute.
is that easy.
I can do that.
You could do that.
Really?
Yes, and I know a lot of people can't take caffeine, so we do have the chocolate bait.
Now, you know that I'm not a real big caffeine person, so
that's right.
guess what, everybody? I'm going to go ahead and get some of this right now, and I 100% endorse what Amanda's doing here. So give her a call. Contact her. What is the best way to contact you, Amanda?
You can call me or text me at 270-393-1011. I am on Facebook under Amanda Taylor. I do have a website, and I also have samples, guys. So again, if you are interested, I would love to send you a sample. We have samples of the chocolate vape, which I will be passing out today. We have samples of the coffee, and then we also have a sample of each, so a coffee and a chocolate. So if you're unsure of which you would like, I have samples. So please, I would love to send some out to you guys.
Awesome. It was so great
Yes.
to have you on Golf Cart Confessions today.
Thank you, Kinny.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Awesome. So that was season 4, episode 9 of Golf Cart Confessions. Who will we interview next?